Hello students and welcome to my online class. Today I have come with a new topic and today I will discuss about has, have and had. Chapter number 14. So this chapter is much simpler and very easier. Okay. Here we have to know how to place has, have and had correctly. So at first I will say that has and have, both these words tell us about present. We have already known about time. In my last class, I taught you that time is divided into three periods, right? Present, past, and future. So, has and have both of them mean about present. Okay? So, we use has with he, she, and it. You have to remember. Use has with he, she, and it, and have with I, you, we, and they. So here you can notice that has is used when there is only one, and have is used when there is more than one. But mind it, I is have is always used with I. Okay? After I, you cannot write has. You have to write have. So you have to remember this box. Okay? So what is here? Fill in the blanks using has or have. Tina. Tina means she. Only one girl. We know that we have to use has with he, she and it. So Tina has curly hair. We means more than one. So we will use have with we. We have a pet dog. I and options are has or have. So we have to choose have between these two. I have a red fountain pen. My kitten. My kitten means it is an animal. It means it. My kitten has white fur. Umang and Tanisha have an English test on Monday because Umang and Tanisha means they. More than one person, so they. Okay? Now you read the sentences. Gautam has a guitar, a piano, and a banjo. Namita has two brothers. I have a blue gown. Mohit has chicken pox. I have dinner at 9 pm. You have done your homework well. Okay? Turn over the page and come to page 84. So what is here? Use has. We use has and have to show what Gautam, Namita and I own at this time, means at present. We also use has and have to refer to the present tense. So students, as the term tense is already written, I have to discuss about tense. You know, the tense is the change of form in a verb or in an action word to express the time of an action. Okay, so you can say to the present time. Okay, now you will study this table. He then has, she has, it has, I have, you have, we have, they have. Okay. Now you read these sentences. Tara had a storybook about a little prince. We had a brown car. Father sold it last year. Varshu Sant had a red cycle when she was young. We had eggs and toast for breakfast. They had finished the work when the bell rang. So, in these sentences, we used had to talk about things that people owned or did before now. So, these had means about past, as has and have mean about present, had means about past. Okay. So this lesson is about placing has, have and had correctly. Here you have some exercises. So what will you do? You have to read the sentences, each sentence very nicely. Okay, you have to understand the time also. If the sentence tells you about past, then you will use had. If the sentence tells you about present, then you will use has or have. Okay, so fill in the blanks using has or have. So here only two options are given. You have to choose among them, between them, has or have. I have a good art teacher. She has many brothers. In this way, we have a wedding to go to on Sunday. They have a white car. He has a younger brother. Sujit has a cricket match to play on Saturday. I have written a story for my little brother. Bob and Mike have made a tree house. You have not tied your shoelaces. My mother has a diamond necklace. Sujata has a pet parrot named Polly. Reena, Neelam and I have short hair. Okay? Choose the correct word. Here are some options. 3 options are given and you will choose among them the correct one among them. Khushi dash a cold last week. Last week means about past. This sentence speaks about past, so you will use had here. We dash 10 toes. We. So this sentence is about regular topics or about present. So here you have to choose between has and have. We is here, so you will use have. Okay. The we dash a power cut last night. Last night also means about past, so you will use had. So in this way you have to study each sentence. You have to understand the time, okay? And then you will place has, have and had, okay? Choose the correct word. You dash a sweet voice. You should be a singer when you grow up. So it is about a regular topic. It means you have a sweet voice, right? I dash rice and fish curry for lunch yesterday. Yesterday means about past. So here you have to write had. Okay, when we speak about past, we will use had. They dash a football match tomorrow. Tomorrow, so not about past. So here you will choose between has and have. As they is here, you have to write have. Okay, they have a football match tomorrow. Mark dash green eyes. Mark has green eyes. Okay. Now turn over the page and come to 87. What is here? In this way you will complete this exercise. At least you try, huh? Connect the boxes to the correct word to complete the sentences correctly. One has been done for you. Okay, this means it has been done for us. Has. He has a blue car. So Shipra dash red angles. Shipra means one girl, so it means she. So if there is she, then we will use has, because it is not about the past also. We will use has. Yesterday, it means about past. So I had a chocolate pastry and some wafers at Kabir's birthday party. Okay. They dashed to cancel their plans yesterday. Yesterday means about past. So here also you will use had. You dash to come early to work. So you have to come early to work. It is about regular topic or about present. You dash beautiful eyes. It is also about present. So here you have beautiful eyes. I have a pet cat named Kitty. We dash a science test last Tuesday. We dash a science test last Tuesday. Last Tuesday means about past. So we will use had here. Okay, student. So students, this video ends here. Thank you.